Hi everyone, here's Abdul and hope everyone is doing fine today. So today we have another unboxing and first impressions video. This time, as you can see from the box, it's G-Shock. I have been buying, or at least trying to buy or ordering some watches lately from Amazon, and yeah, I've been trying them out. Until now, none of the watches I kept, all of them I sent back. The good thing about this program is that you don't pay anything until you say, okay, I'll keep the watch or not keep the watch. And yeah, and that way you do save money, because you don't have any kind of obligation other than putting it back to the post office in the same box that came with. So this is the G-Shock number on the box. Let's open the box. Oh, okay. Here we go. Here you can see it. So this is the DW-6900 LS-2ER, as you can see here from the reference number on the ticket. And here's the watch. Transparent watch. As you noticed, I've bought my jelly oak before the summer, kept it, and now I really like the idea of having a transparent watch. And this one looks really nice with this light blue green combination. You have the light here, so you have the whole G-Shock system with no carbon core here. But the G-Shock system, here you have the reference number 20 bar. You have the normal modes, alarm, timer, stopwatch, and I think you have here like fractions of the seconds and tenth. So if we go to the stopwatch, you can see these above. Now you can calculate with the milliseconds how long was that, which is quite a fun function. The light is nice, blue light, blue black light, as you can see. Yeah, so that gets down to how big is the watch. Let me find just the caliper and open it. And so diameter wise, it is a 48.4. Thickness, I think we have to go until the edge, so 16.25, and a lug to lug distance of 48.5. So let's see it on my wrist. I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist, which is like 6.72 inches wrist. I like to wear the watches tight. And here we go. It's a bit bulky, right? It's a big G-Shock, but it looks quite nice with the blue. On my hand, I feel it's more or less like gimmicky, not like the other see-through G-Shock, the jelly oak. Maybe I'll do a comparison video between the two, the jelly oak and this one, to give you guys, because I don't have the split second complication, which is quite cool. But yeah, that's one that I think I would definitely yeah, keep maybe for more than one day to try it out. Maybe wear it out today and tomorrow compare it to the jelly oak. Yeah, that might be a good plan. I really like the green also in the background. G-Shocks makes a lot of cool colors, and this is one of them. I think if you're looking for something for the summer, now it's winter anyways, but good time to buy the summer watches always in the winter because of the prices. This one is 85 euros, which I think is reasonable, but I think you can get it lower. Or at least I hope I can get lower after I send this back if I don't like it. But yeah, it does look nice. It has the same module inside, different complications here, which is quite nice. The different font. Maybe this one will. I'll compare it also to the Stealth because it has the negative display, which is also different. So yeah, that might be the plan. So if you want me to compare it to my other G-Shocks, be sure to let me know in the comment section. And yeah, if you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and hopefully see you in the next one. I'll leave you some wrist shot side profile. Yeah, it does hug. I like the watches that hug the wrist, and you always see this in good designs that you have at the end link some kind of helper to help the strap contour around your wrist, which is quite nice. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching again, and hopefully see you in the next one. Have a great one, guys. Bye bye.